welcome to my channel. I am the owner of Dollhouse Aesthetics and I'm so excited to have you on my channel today. I am going to be uploading tons of videos for you guys about lashes and even tutorials, and so I wanted to make this video specifically talking about products that I like to use when I'm lashing a set so that we get great retention. That way you guys can kind of have an idea of like what you should be doing. I know that we get a lot of questions as far as like, why am I not getting good retention? Why are the lashes getting to like a 2-week mark and then they're basically falling off? So I wanted to make sure that I make this video for you guys so that you guys can kind of see exactly what we're doing. Okay guys, so the first product is a Lash Shampoo. I've been using this one for, I don't know, a long time since I've been lashing, and I really love this one. I just got it off of Amazon. I like to use these disposable wands whenever I'm applying the Lash Shampoo. It definitely helps, especially if they have outgrown lashes, so that nothing gets tangled up. If you use cotton swabs, you know that those will not work well. The fuzzies get stuck to the lashes. And the next product that I really love is a Lash Primer. This one I feel like is a necessity when it comes to prepping your clients, especially because the natural oils, so essentially it just kind of helps remove all the natural oils so that the glue stays on better. I've been using different types of primers, as you can see. I recently switched over though to the Liv Bay Primer, and this one's one of my favorites. I do feel like it has made a difference when it comes to retention. I use the micro applicators. Those are very helpful, as well as the lipstick disposal applicators. It's really just on preference, but I recommend those two. I feel like they're very helpful. The next one that I like to use to prep, and this one's towards the end after a lash set, is the bonder. I use the Liv Bay Climax Bond, and I love this one. I feel like it has made, again, a huge difference when it comes to the retention. I've used the Lash Galore, and that one's pretty much empty, as you can tell. I like their products too. They're very good. The other product that I love is the glue container. This one holds 3 glues, which is very helpful. And this just helps essentially to keep all your glues at a room temperature, especially if you have humidity in your room, or if you're in a different kind of area when it comes to the temperatures you have outside. It kind of just keeps everything perfect in a way, and it just seals right up. So I absolutely love this. I feel like any glue container is helpful for keeping your glue where it needs to be. So there you guys have it. Those are my main products that I love to use for prepping a client. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I will be uploading as consistently as I possibly can. So I hope that you guys stick around with me and we help each other as much as we can. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment, and I would be more than happy to help you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing, blessed day, and you guys stay safe out there.